Yeah, you can see the ferries are operating today. It was supposed to be the day that dozens of ferry workers up and down Puget Sound called in sick in protest of the state's vaccine mandate. Again, that did not happen. However, damage has still been done.
They were saying today and tomorrow were going to be the worst days.
Living on Lopez Island for the past 35 years, Bob Ferris knows all about leaving extra time to take the ferry to the mainland. But he's never had to leave on a Friday for a Tuesday appointment.
It just wasn't worth missing my treatment or taking the gamble that the ferries were going to get disrupted.
Bob is undergoing cancer treatment in Seattle and comes to the city once every month. This time, though, he came 4 days early, staying with his daughter. Protests against the state vaccination mandate have swept city streets, with firefighters and healthcare workers vowing to quit their jobs if they're forced to take the vaccine. The protest has made waves with ferry workers who've been calling in sick since the announcement, delaying or even canceling trips up and down Puget Sound.
Well, after 35 years, the disruption has been unparalleled, and you just can't count on them anymore.
Tourism in the islands is said to be off a bit for the last big weekend of summer. Bob's daughter Valerie says just the threat of a possible sickout forced her to cancel a trip to the San Juans this holiday.
And when you can't rely on that, it just disrupts everything, I think, about daily life on the island. And certainly it's made it a lot harder for us to be able to go up and visit this summer as well.
Over the weekend, Governor Inslee reached a tentative agreement with the largest labor union for state workers, giving them a bit more leeway with vaccinations. Ferry workers are in a different union, but the move could be seen as a step in the right direction. Meantime, Bob is taking this extra time with family as a blessing before he has to try to get on a boat to go back home.
You just can't win. It's very unpredictable and unreliable, and it shouldn't have to be this way.
Told that boats have been arriving in the islands on time, but not full. We're also still hearing that there could be another sickout tomorrow, perhaps even Saturday, but at this point, it's truly anybody's guess. Live in Edmonds tonight, Eric Wilkinson, King 5 News.